So this section is all about exercises to help alleviate low back pain. Now just remember that you'll need to get some advice from a health professional before carrying out these exercises, and we take no responsibility if this worsens your back pain. So this is obviously done at your own risk. So a couple of the exercises that we're going to start with are just going to try and loosen off your lower back region. So you're lying on your back, and you're gently going to roll your knees round to the left side, back to the centre, and round to the right side, and gently to the left, keeping your upper back flat there. So exhale, and inhale, and exhale. The next exercise is a lot of the time you get a lot of restriction through the pelvis, so we need to just do some gentle pelvic tilts. So you can place your hands just on the front of the bones there, and just take your pelvis forwards and back. And I like to call this the bungee cord. So there should be a bungee cord between these two bones here, and you want them coming up closer together and then away from one another. Then the next exercise, straighten out one leg, bring one knee in towards your chest, and just hold that there for around 20 seconds. And then you can repeat on the other side. Couple of exercises you're going to do are then going to be on your tummy. So the first one is in this position, so it's called a back extension. You can start off just nice and gently, just in this position here, just coming up, maybe 12 to 15 reps, having a bit of rest in between. Then popping your hands just at the side to make it a little bit more difficult. And if you want to make it more difficult again, take the arms up, just at the side of the earlobes. The next exercise, which is quite a nice one to loosen off the whole of the spine, is just into all fours, lift your back up, tuck your chin into chest, and then release back down again. And repeat again. And do that maybe 10 to 12 times. Chin to chest, release down and back. So these are some nice gentle mobility exercises, and a nice stretch that I like to put in here is just to try and bring your bottom back onto your heels, and a nice test you can do is trying to see how close you can get towards the heels. So a couple of nice stretches that you can add in. A lot of the time people with back pain, they get a lot of tightness through your hip flexors, so you can get yourself into this position and stretch off, and try and tilt your hips forwards, and you should be getting a nice stretch just down into this area here. So again, a lot of people, if you've got a tilt through the pelvis, you will get quite tight through here. So that's a nice exercise that you can add in terms of a stretch. And then a couple of other nice stretches is one just lying here, and this is going to stretch off the muscle just up into the upper back. Just take it round into the side, look over to that right shoulder alongside the leg that's crossed over the body. That's going to stretch into there. And another nice stretch is that muscle that's into the buttocks here. Pull back and just stretch into that area. And then obviously swap sides as well. So as I say, if you've got any leg pain or anything like that, just make sure that you check from a health professional before conducting these exercises. But if you just have some general stiffness in your back, these are a great bunch of exercises that you can get started with.